Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The Best Glamorous is probably one of the most sought-after items for anyone looking to elevate their style and make a statement, offering an unparalleled blend of sophistication and allure that promises to transform your look and boost your confidence, making every moment feel like a red carpet event without breaking the bank. Number 5. Tyler Glamorous Wash Diva. Transform your laundry routine into an indulgent experience. This premium liquid wash brings a touch of glamour to every load, making your clothes feel and smell exquisite. Immerse yourself in the captivating Diva fragrance. Its unique floral notes leave a lasting, sophisticated aroma on all your fabrics, ensuring you always smell your best. Despite its luxurious feel, it's a powerful cleaner. This liquid formula effectively tackles dirt and stains while being gentle on your garments, preserving their quality. Enjoy the delightful essence of fresh florals with every wash. It infuses your clothes with a vibrant, clean scent that lingers beautifully throughout the day. A little goes a long way with this concentrated formula. Its 907g size provides many washes, delivering consistent luxury and freshness every time you use it. What we like. This offers a consistent, beloved Diva floral scent for your laundry. Its generous size ensures you won't run out quickly. If you like a signature, long-lasting fragrance for all your daily washes, this is an excellent choice. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Unable to extract helpful points without review content. Number 4. Crest 3D Glamorous White Mint Toothpaste. Discover the secret to a dazzling smile. This toothpaste is designed to whiten your teeth effectively, giving you a noticeable difference. Its advanced formula works to remove up to 90% of surface stains. You'll achieve a professional-level clean and a visibly whiter smile. Enjoy a burst of refreshing mint with every brush. It leaves your mouth feeling clean and your breath fresh throughout the day. This generous pack includes 4 3.8-ounce tubes, ensuring you're always stocked. Please note that packaging may vary slightly. Transform your daily brushing routine into a whitening treatment. Get yours today and reveal your most glamorous smile. What we like. Achieve a noticeably brighter smile with its advanced whitening formula. It also leaves your mouth feeling incredibly fresh with a minty burst. If you are looking for effective teeth whitening and appreciate a great value, this multi-pack is ideal. What people say. Number 3. Tyler Glamorous Wash Laundry Detergent Liquid Gift Set. Elevate your laundry routine with this exquisite detergent. It transforms everyday washing into a luxurious experience. Known for its captivating fragrances, this liquid detergent offers a unique blend of cleanliness and aroma. It's designed to leave your clothes smelling divine. Perfectly sized for gifting or trying out new scents, this 4-ounce set is both practical and elegant. It's ideal for those who appreciate fine home care. Discover the popular Diva, the enchanting French market, and the sophisticated high maintenance. Each scent offers a distinct and memorable aroma. Let its luxurious formula pamper your fabrics and infuse your home with delightful scents. It's more than just a detergent, it's an indulgence. Whether for yourself or a loved one, this set makes an unforgettable present. It brings a touch of glamour to any laundry day. What we like. Discover 3 distinct, luxurious fragrances in one elegant package. These smaller bottles are perfect for sampling or travel. If you love variety or need a sophisticated gift, this set allows you to explore different aromas. What people say. Number 2. Tyler Candle Co. High Maintenance Glamorous Wash. Elevate your laundry routine with this exquisite wash. It transforms everyday chores into a luxurious experience, leaving your fabrics feeling incredibly soft and smelling divine. Discover its signature, high-maintenance scent, a captivating blend that's both sophisticated and inviting. This unique aroma will linger on your clothes, creating a lasting impression. Beyond its incredible fragrance, it offers powerful cleaning action. This formula gently yet effectively cleans your garments, while also conditioning them for ultimate softness. A little goes a long way with this concentrated formula. Use it for hand-washing delicate items or in your machine for a full load, ensuring every wash is a treat. Achieve truly glamorous results with every cycle. Your clothes will not only be impeccably clean but also infused with a scent that exudes elegance and charm. What we like. Experience the cult favorite, high-maintenance scent in your laundry. This specific fragrance is known for its bold and sophisticated aroma. If you adore this iconic scent and want your clothes to carry its luxurious essence, this product is a must-have. What people say. The Glamorous product exhibits a sleek and modern design. It provides consistent and reliable functionality for its users. Number 1. Tyler Candle entitled Glamorous Wash. Transform your laundry routine into an indulgent experience. This unique formula is designed to leave your clothes feeling incredibly soft and smelling divine. Infused with the iconic Glamorous fragrance, it imparts a sophisticated and long-lasting aroma to all your fabrics. Enjoy the captivating scent that lingers beautifully. Beyond its luxurious scent, it effectively cleanses your garments, removing dirt and impurities. It also enhances their softness, making them a pleasure to wear. Perfect for delicate items, linens, and everyday wear, it treats your clothes with care. Use it to refresh and revitalize your entire wardrobe. With every wash, it brings a touch of elegance to your home. Discover the difference a truly glamorous wash can make in your daily life. This generous 32-ounce bottle ensures you have plenty to keep your laundry feeling fresh and luxurious. It's an essential addition to your home care collection. What we like. This features the distinctive and captivating, entitled fragrance. Its substantial 32-ounce size provides ample washes with this exclusive aroma. If you are seeking a unique, bold scent that stands out from the rest, this particular wash is perfect for you. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.